Law of independent assortment. The law states that when hybrid possessing two or more pair of contrasting characters, factors or alleles forms gametes, the factors in each pair segregate independently of the other pair. Each pair segregate independently of the other is the law of independent assortment. Backcross and testcross. Backcross, the F1 individuals obtained in a cross are usually selfed to get the F2 progeny. They can also be crossed with one of the two parents from which they were derived, either recessive or dominant. Such a cross is known as backcross. Test cross. The cross of F1 hybrid with the homozygous recessive parent is known as test cross. Cross of F1 hybrid with either recessive parent or homozygous recessive parent is known as test cross. It is used to test whether an individual is homozygous pure or heterozygous hybrid. Test cross is easily simple, repeatable, and predictable. Test cross can be used to find out genotype of any plant. By using this test cross, we can find out genotype of any plant with dominant expression, but it is not known whether it is homozygous pure or heterozygous for that trait. Example in pea plant that having violet or purple flowers is crossed with a pea plant with white flowers. If all flowers produced are violet, we can conclude that plant is pure or homozygous. And if we get violet and white flowers in 1:1 ratio, we can conclude that plant is heterozygous. This cross is also used to introduce useful recessive traits in hybrids of self-pollinated plants in plant improvement. In graphical representation of test cross, homozygous recessive crossed with homozygous recessive here. Homozygous recessive, that is denoted by small r. Homozygous recessive denoted by small r, and their genotype is unknown, that small r homozygous recessive is crossed with the capital R, that is the dominant phenotype. Then what is the ratio? Then after pairing, capital R, small r, capital R, small r, capital R, small r, capital R, small r. All flowers are violet. All flowers are violet. Then unknown flower is homozygous dominant. Unknown flower is homozygous dominant. And in another, that homozygous recessive small r crossed with capital R small r, capital R small r. Then pairing is done, capital R small r, capital R small r, small r small r, small r small r, and half of the flowers are violet and half of the flowers are white. Here unknown flower is heterozygous. Here unknown flower is heterozygous. Deviation from Mendel's finding. Few generalizations were arrived at by Mendel on the basis of his experiments of garden pea plant, such as single trait, single gene, two alleles. Two alleles show interaction in which one is completely dominant. Second, third, factors or genes for different traits present on different chromosomes assort independently. First, single trait, single gene, two alleles. Second, two alleles show interaction in which one is completely dominant. Third, factors, that is genes for different traits present on different chromosomes assort independently. With the passage of time, number of deviations were observed, identified in the post-Mendelian era that gave additional information on the patterns of inheritance. These deviations are also called as neo-Mendelism. After the work of Mendel, some scientists observed and put forth some concept, and then this is called neo-Mendelism. The phenotypic expression of a gene can be modified or influenced by the other gene. These gene interactions are of two types. One is intragenic interactions, that is occur between the alleles of same gene. Intragenic interactions occur between the alleles of same gene, example incomplete dominance and codominance. It also occurs between the multiple allele series of a gene. Second, intergenic interactions occur between the alleles of different genes present on the same or different chromosomes. Example, pleiotropy, polygenes, and epistasis. First, incomplete dominance. In the incomplete dominance, both the alleles or genes of an allelomorphic pair express themselves partially. In the incomplete dominance, both the alleles or genes of an allelomorphic pair express themselves partially. One allele or gene cannot suppress the expression of the other allele gene completely. One allele or gene cannot suppress the expression of the other allele or gene completely. In such a case, there is an intermediate expression in the F1 hybrid. Well-known example is the flower color of Mirabilis jalapa. If a red flowered capital R plant is crossed with white flowered small r plant, that red flower denoted by capital R, small white flower are denoted by small r. Then F1 of springs have pink flowers, that is capital R, small r. Parents, red flowers crossed with white flowers. Their phenotype is capital R, small r for white flowers. Gametes are capital R and small r. Then F1 hybrids are capital R, small r, that is pink flowers. In when selfing is allowed in the F1 generation, that is capital R, small r is crossed with capital R, small r. Then in F2 generation, male gametes capital R, small r, female gametes capital R, small r are crossed, are paired in checkerboard. First column show capital R, red. In second, capital R, small r, pink. In third, capital R, small r, pink. In fourth, small r, white. It means that here red is denoted by capital R, then two hybrid pink denoted by alphabets capital R, small r, and white flower denoted by alphabet small r. The result shows that genotypic ratio is 1 as to 2 as to 1. 1 capital R red flower, as to 2, capital R, small r, pink flower, 1 white flower, small r, small r. This is the genotypic ratio, 1 as to 2 as to 1. Phenotypic ratio, 1 red as to 2 pink as to 1 white. Here that phenotypic ratio is 1 as to 2 as to 1. Codominance. In codominance, both the alleles or genes of an allelomorphic pair express themselves equally in F1 generation. In codominance, both the alleles or genes of an allelomorphic pair express themselves equally in F1 generation. Hybrids. Such alleles which are able to express themselves equally independently in hybrids are called codominant alleles. Thus, in codominance, both alleles are expressed. The best example is cattle, that codominance is proved in cattle. There are red cattle and white cattle. Phenotype is the red female crossed with the white male. Genotype is capital R in male, capital W. Parent generation, that gametes are grown, capital R, capital W, and in F1 generation, that capital R, capital W is formed there. It means roan color is formed there. The gametes of F1 generation, capital R, capital W, and then the product of, and then after crossing, the product of F2 generation, that is red male, capital R, then capital R, capital W, female, capital R, capital W, male. These are two roan color. And third, capital W is the male is with white color. It means that 1 as to 2 as to 1 is the phenotypic ratio. 1 red, 2 roan, and 1 white. This is the phenotypic ratio, and genotypic ratio is capital R, that is red, as to capital R, capital W, roan, as to capital W, white. That genotypic ratio is 1 as to 2 as to 1. And in these codominance, phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio are same. That is 1 as to 2 as to 1. That is proved by cattle in codominance. Classic example of codominance is coat color in cattle. Here we explain this codominance. There are two types, one with red coat with red color hair and other with white hair. When red cattles, capital R, are crossed with white cattles, capital W, F1 hybrids are roan colored, that is capital R, capital W. Roans have the mixture of red and white color hair. Thus, both the traits are expressed equally. In F2 generation. Red, capital R, roans, capital R, capital W, and white, capital W, are produced in the ratio 1 as to 2 as to 1. Thus, in codominance, the genotypic and phenotypic ratio are identical. Multiple alleles. More than two alternative forms alleles of a gene in a population occupying the same locus on a chromosome or its homologue are known as multiple alleles. Multiple alleles arise by mutation of the wild type of gene. A gene can mutate several times, producing a series of alternative expression. Different alleles in a series show different recessive relation or may show codominance or incomplete dominance among themselves. Wild type is dominant over all other mutant alleles. In Drosophila, a large number of multiple alleles are known. Example, the size of wings from normal wing to vestigial wings, that is just stumps. No wings, that is just stumps, is due to one allele VG in homozygous condition. The normal wing is wild type while vestigial wing is recessive type. Normal wing is wild type while vestigial wing is recessive type. In this table, there are few phenotypes and few genotypes in Drosophila. Phenotypes: normal wings, genotype VG plus, phenotype naked wings, genotype VGNI, notched wings, phenotype genotype VGNO. NO means notched. Trap wings, genotype VGST. ST means trap. Vestigial wings, phenotype genotype is VG, that is vestigial wings. Pleiotropy: when a single gene controls two or more different traits, it is called pleiotropic gene, and the phenomenon is called pleiotropy. See again, when a single gene controls two or more different traits, when a single gene controls two or more different traits, then it is called pleiotropic gene, and that phenomenon is pleiotropy or pleiotropism. The phenotypic ratio is 1:2 instead of 3:1 because of the death of recessive homozygote. Because of the death of recessive homozygote. The disease sickle cell anemia is caused by a gene HBS normal or healthy gene